In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital product store in Ecwid. We're going to cover everything you need to know so that you can start selling your digital products efficiently and effectively. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned seller looking to expand your storefront, this guide will equip you with the necessary steps to get started. To begin, we'll navigate to the Ecwid control panel. This serves as the central hub for managing all the facets of your online store, including inventory, sales, and orders. You should familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it will be crucial for overseeing your store's daily operations. Remember that understanding every nook and cranny of this control panel can greatly enhance how you manage your store. Once you're comfortable, it's time to move on to adding your first product. Click on Add New Product. This is where the magic begins, as it allows you to introduce your products into the virtual marketplace. You're going to input essential details of each product, including the name, description, price, and other vital metrics. These details are critical as they directly impact how customers perceive your product. A well-described product with clear benefits tends to attract more customers, so ensure your entries are both detailed and engaging. After filling out your product information, the next step is crucial for digital sellers, clicking on the Files section. This is where you upload the actual digital files that you intend to sell. Whether it's an ebook, a music file, or an art piece, this step ensures your digital products are securely locked and ready for purchase. Make sure your files are well organized and labeled correctly in advance to streamline this process. Finally, you'll select the option to sell digital goods. This configuration optimizes your transaction processes specifically for digital sales, ensuring seamless delivery upon purchase. It helps you adjust settings such as download limits and expiration dates, thereby maintaining control over your digital assets. Be sure to explore these settings thoroughly to tailor them according to your business strategy. Setting up your first digital store on Ecwid might seem daunting at first, but remember, it's all about taking one step at a time. This straightforward process we've just walked through is designed to empower you, enhance your reach, and drive sales. With diligence and creativity, your digital products will find the right audience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.